In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can include a video file that we have earlier encoded in our HTML5 web page. So you can see that including a video file is pretty easy. All we need to do is make use of the video tag, and there we have to specify the src attribute, which is going to point to the location where our video file is located, and then we have the width and height specified. Now once we have done this, let's see how our page looks. So here, this is how it looks in Chrome, and you can see that we cannot play it. It's just like an image. There's no control coming up where I can pause the video, or I can skip to a specific timeline and then reduce the volume or make it full screen. So all those kind of things are missing from here. Now let's check it in Firefox as well, and this is how it looks in Firefox. Now in order to have the control bar available, what we need to do is, in our code, we need to have controls attribute mentioned. Now with the controls, we'll have the toolbar available, and if you want that the video should only load when one clicks on the play button, we can have preload set to false. So once we have this in place, let's see how our page looks now. So if I refresh this one, you can see that now the play button comes up, the timing of the video is shown over here, this is the timeline coming up, the volume icon is there, and full screen, or you can even download this video. So I can now click on this play button. This lecture will be taking a look at, and you can hear the video being played, and you can reduce the volume over here, or you can make it full screen like this, or back. So all these features are now available in our video. There's one more thing that I would like to share with you, and that is, let's say you have some incompatibility issue with the file extension that you have included. In that case, what you can do is you can have an alternative way of the video tag, which you can have in this way. So I can just remove the src from here, and what I'll do is I'll include a source tag. So over here, let's say my source tag will look like this, and then another source can be like this. So for some reason, if the browser is not supporting .mp4 extension, then it will simply go for the other one available, .ogg in this case. So that's another way of having a set of files included as source files for a given video tag, and the one which is supported by the browser will be played by default, and the order is like the first video is checked. If it's supported, then it will be played by default, otherwise the next one in line will be checked, and so on and so forth. So this is how we actually include videos in our HTML5 web pages.